Billingham Hadley Pro 2020. This latest Pro 2020 version comes with a new luggage strap, a stronger and more comfortable handle, and a weather-resistant zipper on its back. This backpack bag also comes with thick dividers and a pair of spacious pockets on the front. Sadly, you have to pay more to bring strap pads home. Thick design everyday messenger. $13.2. This expensive backpack may be too pricey for many, but it's actually worth the value as it comes with 4 fastening points to secure your belongings in your grips. This backpack also has a zipper top to make sure that you can reach your belongings easily. This backpack also comes with 13-inch laptop and tablet slots. You can also attach your tripod at the top of this backpack. The innards of this backpack are supported by white shoulder strap. Tenba DNA 15 messenger bag. This 15 inches backpack can load your DSLR and its attached lens and up to 4 other lenses. The main front flap is secured by 2 magnetic slides that will secure your camera and lenses. It also comes with a Velcro strips to clean up your cable mask. The main space of this backpack is quite spacious. It also has a removable camera insert and separate sleeves to accommodate 15-inch laptop and a tablet. This backpack from Tenba also has a document compartment on its back, plus 4 smaller pockets on the front in dual layers. This slim backpack can load up to 2 DSLRs or mirrorless cameras with their attached lenses, plus up to 3 additional lenses. You can easily grab your camera through its top zipper and zippers on its both sides. This backpack also has 13-inch laptop compartment, plus 2 internal zipper pockets for accessories. Tenba Access Tactical 24L. This backpack is perfect to hold 1 or 2 cameras and 6 to 8 additional lenses. In addition to the main compartment, you will also get a separate, full-height front compartment with its own zipper. The internal sleeve of this bag can load a 17-inch laptop. You can easily get your camera through the zipper on its top and the lower left-hand side. The waist strap is also removable, so you can use it according to your preference. Billingham Hadley 1. This bigger backpack is not only big but also has a deeper space. It has an internal 13-inch laptop holder. It also comes with a half-line camera insert that can hold medium-sized camera, along with its attached lenses and accessories. You can also add half-length and full-length camera insert as extras. This bag also has a zipper rear pocket, 2 large down pockets at the front, a grab handle on the top, and a rear trolley strap. Low Pro Photo Active 300. This backpack can hold moderate DSLR kits. Not only that, it also comes with stretch pockets on the front, 2 side flaps, and a shoulder strap. The quick shelf system on this backpack is based around stiff dividers that will keep your belongings stay on its original place. Jitz Venturi 30L. This backpack is designed to hold a Pro DSLR camera with a 70 to 200mm frames to 4 lens attached, plus a second body and up to 4 more additional lenses. You can also pack a 400mm f/4, a camera body, and a couple of lenses or small accessories. You can also store a 15-inch laptop on this device as well. This backpack is made from water-resistant materials with coated zippers and bottom sections. Midshift gear putter crust 13. This backpack is designed to hold a DSLR and Trinity wide angle, standard and telephoto f/2.8 lenses. It is made from water resistant on its external material and zippers. Although the inner dividers on it are relatively thin, they can hold your belongings safely. There is also a pull-out waist strap to keep your bag firmly in its place. Le Pro Streetline SL 140. This bag can hold your 11-inch laptop and tablet, as well as your other camera gears. Inside the bag, there are 3 snapshot pouches. They can hold your mirrorless cameras or DSLRs. This bag is perfect options for those who are looking for a carry-on bag for flights.